Hello traders, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy CDs, certificates of deposit, step by step at Charles Schwab. So there are several advantages to buying from Schwab versus local banks. Number one, Charles Schwab has got CDs offered from banks all across the country with very competitive rates. You don't have to create accounts at about 6 or 8 different banks. You can do it all from your Schwab account, and the rates are very competitive. As I was preparing for this video, I went to a local bank's website and pulled this up. This is today. Look at these rates. I mean, we got to go all the way out to 3 years to get 1%. I mean, really? We can do much better than that. So the first thing we need to do is get logged into Charles Schwab. Okay, I'm at the Charles Schwab website. We'll put in our credentials and get logged in. Okay, now there's a lot on the Charles Schwab website, but to find the CDs, just simply click up here on Trade, and then hover down to CDs and click that link. Okay, so here we see the offerings from Schwab, and you'll note that they are from FDI insured banks, which is very important. So let's take our maturity periods from 1 month all the way out to 10 years and yields from 4.33% on down. Let's just click on the 3 months, for example. So you can see there's quite a few different issues here, with a high coupon rate of 4.2 down to a low coupon of 4.0. Now, the coupon rate is what you're going to get for the duration of the CD. The APY would be if you would hold this CD for 1 year at this rate. Let's just bring up a calculator and see what we would get. So if I put 10,000 into a CD, that is going to bring in $420. But that's not going to be what we're going to get, because we're only holding this CD for 3 months. So a rough idea of what we're going to get here is just to divide this by 4. So we're approximately going to bring in $105. Now, if we renewed this CD 3 times, this would be where our APY would kick in. So if you want more information on any of these CDs, just click on the link down here. Let's just click on this one. And that's going to bring up another window. And from there you can get more information on the CD, and then if you eventually want to buy, you just click on the buy button here. Now note, with some of these CDs there are blue sky restrictions. It says this CD is not available to the legal residents of the following states: foreign states. So I'm guessing if you live outside the United States you cannot buy this CD. But for this particular one, if you live in Maryland, North Carolina, Ohio, or Pennsylvania, you cannot buy the CD. I'm in Illinois, so I would be okay. So I think for our purposes, I'm going to go out to 1 month, and I'm going to buy a 1 month CD. Now this one here has just been added. I didn't see this 4.25 when I was preparing for this video this morning. So this is these are all new issues. So let's click on this and see what we have. First of all, we have the only restriction is, I guess, you can't be outside the US, so I'm okay. Looks like it matures February 19th. And it's from the Beal Bank, I guess in Plano, Texas. So the next step will be to click the buy button. But before I do, I want to back out, because we've got quantities here and prices and minimum increments and a max value. And I think that'll be more explanatory once we get into the buy page. Okay, so essentially the minimum amount you can buy in a CD is $1,000. Looks like there's 18.3 million available in $1,000 increments. So if I type in $1,000 here, that's what I'm going to buy, and that's what we're going to do in this video. Now the next step is, do I want to auto roll over this? If I do, I can select maturities. I've got between 3 months and 60 months. Note there's not a 1 month rollover option here. For this case, I'm not going to roll this over. Now these order types, limit prices, and timing, that is for stock and ETF trading. Does not come into play with CDs. The next step will be to review the order. So this is the last step. Just make sure that everything on this page is to your liking. We've got our $1,000 in here. And it looks like I'm placing an order without sufficient free cash. But that's okay because I can free up some cash between now and when this order is actually going to hit. So I'm going to go ahead and place the order. So that's it. We've got our CD bought. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this content, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching, everyone.